How to use Duolingo Math and Music in one app. Duolingo now teaches you math as well as music on a single platform, which is the Duolingo platform. Now, in order to be able to use this, you must first of all make sure that you have updated the Duolingo to the latest version. Once you have updated the application, what you can simply do is tap on the flag icon that you'll be able to see depending upon what language you're currently learning. You can simply tap on the flag option on the top left, and there you go. These are all of the new courses, which include math, music, as well as chess. This is the newest one, so you can simply tap on one of these options. Let's say if you choose math, it is gonna first of all open up the intro as you normally get when you open up Duolingo. So using this exact section, you'll be able to use Duolingo Math and Music in one application. I do hope this guide video did help you out. If it did, be sure to subscribe. That's pretty much all for today. I'm gonna see you in the next video.